Marabantak Rengay niya, Yemen Mukher, Ibigul Melbourne, by Baba Melbourne.
Islam no?
Rispa.
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 O kayor.
O kayor, Yemen Pohnpeian kayor. May Sokehs. Rispa. No, Rian Noel. Kasi isme Noel.
Noel nen Maraya.
Then Maraya.
Pom.
Yemen ang Rosa. Menayin ki Salva, menayin ki Tata. Kalahgan banan kasi.
Islam family tree kisma.
Okay.
Ani lokahan Pohnpei kaskas school. Ani triak bil kaskas school. Yata nan Rispano.
Dan Rispano no amlain. Amlain ni Noel mawani. 180. Berapa besar? Noel babagi Joshua. Joshua memang. Amlain babagi tua. Olin Gilmete.
Iya kami Noel yang nen.
So Noel, imagay yung lautra right. Iya kamata Joshua mela. Tua paut kita malaya. Iya dapat.
Or men be Christian.
Anonom kayo tuk di Periano. Imagay ate laise.
Laise.
Right. Okay, panan kayo sa wow.
Yakis.
My mother was a very famous local midwife.
Yes.
He delivered kids all around the island. I don't know how she got around the island. The people came in canoe and fetched her and took her to their place to deliver their baby.
Yeah, she delivered my cousin, who's maybe probably born around 1975. And when he was born, they named him after your father, Gayor. What clan was your mother, and what clan was your father?
My mother's clan is Lipitahn. Now, Lipitahn originally migrated down from the Marshall Islands. The Lipitahn is the clan that the Marshallese call Lipitahn. Yes. Mm-hmm. And my father is Son Samaki. Now, Son Samaki is offshoot of Tipunman. It's Tipunman Poadoapoad. And in Pichi, they started several settlements of Tipunman, and then they broke away from the Tipunman clan. One group settled on the other side of the river, and they called themselves Sokehs Rebellion. And some could settle right at Pok River, so they called themselves Sompok. And another faction settled in Samaki, Tiati, and so they called themselves Samaki. But they're all offshoot of Tipunman.
But he's also related to Sonkawat and Sokehs, related to the Sokehs Rebellion.
My father is related to Sonkawat because his father is Sonkawat. His father is Sonkawat, and my father's father is a member of the Sonkawat clan of Silisup Basuk. Silisup Basuk are the two brothers who went to Sokehs to drive off the Tipunman, who were the ruling clan at that time. So when they drove off the Tipunman, they become the ruling clan in Sokehs. And they're Sonkawat from Nampi. So all that time, there's no such thing as Sonkawat in Sokehs, because the ruling clan of Sokehs is Sonkawat and Nampi, until the German rebellion.